Hello class 12 students, I'm going to start chapter number 11, that is mobile communication technologies. We have completed here 10 chapters. Now the 11th one we are discussing, in which we will discuss here some kinds of technologies and services which we are using in our mobile phones. So our first mobile phone, that was first commercial mobile phone, it was invented by Motorola and in 1983. So here some kinds of technologies and generations. Mainly we are discussing here generations like 1G, 2G, 3G and up to so on. So here we are discussing some more points using services and using all protocols also here, why we are following, why we are using these kinds of terms here. So first is 1G technology, that is first generation technology here, in which we were using wireless mobile phones, where we are using analog signals instead of digital signals that we are using nowadays. Analog signals are not so strong or in terms of clear quality or high quality signals there. Mainly we were using for the talking purpose in that time. So these kinds of mobile phones using this technology or using this voice communication only. So here some kinds of characteristics also we are discussing. So first one is speed. Speed up to 2.4 kbps. As you can see, there is speed is only 2.4 kbps, that is so slow. And second one is poor voice quality. So if we talk on the system, so there are some kinds of noises were coming in that time with using first generation. Next is large phones with limited battery life. Battery life was so limited because we have to recharge this, with the energy or with the power backup again and again. Now the next one is no data security. As we know, if we use here wireless communication technology, although we are using 2G or 3G also, so there is a kind of this characteristics of no data security is available in all the wireless facilities, because if we use wireless facilities, so there are more chances for hacking and for stealing all the data, and this data can't be secure over wireless instead of wired communication technology we use there. So the next one is 2G technology, that is second generation, that is much better than first communication technology, or you can say first G. 2G refers to second generation of mobile telephony which used digital signals for the first time. As we were talking about analog signals and the digital signals, so the digital signals provide more speed, and we can say data transfer rate is higher than as compared to first generation. Data transfer rate, as we were discussing in our last videos, data transfer rate is that particular transferring of data per second, how many bits you are transferring in per second, how many bytes you are sending per second, that is known as data transfer rate, or you can say data rate only. So it was launched in Finland in 1991 and used GSM technologies also. Some characteristics of 2G communications are, first one is data speed up to 64 kbps. As you can see the comparison, in first generation we were using only the 2.4 kbps, and in second generation there is 64 kbps. Kbps, that means kilobits per second. There is a difference of B also. If we use here capital B, that signifies the byte, and here we are using only the small bit, so it signifies that the bit, that means kilobits per second. So we can send or we can receive data 64 kilobits per second. Next one is text and multimedia messaging possible. In first generation this facility was not there. We can't message or we can't use multimedia text messages over there. So here in 2G communication technologies, SMS facilities is there, so we can use text messages. Next one is battery quality, then G is higher than first G. So power backup is more applicable, is more capable as compared to first G if we compare there. When GPRS technologies was introduced in this second generation only, it enables web browsing, also email services, this kind of services which is provided by 2G. So here you are more familiar about this. What do you mean by web browser? Web browsers are a kind of application or the software which we are using to visit our websites. For example, we can use here Internet Explorer, which is by default in our systems. So here many more web browsers also available, like Firefox, Mozilla, or Opera Mini, or another Chrome we are using nowadays. Email services are also available. Fast upload and download speeds here, as you can see, the speed is much better than first generation, so we can use here uploading and downloading also. 2G with GPRS is also referred as 2.5G as a version of second generation, a step short of the next mobile generation, as we are saying that it is the next version or next generation of the 2G. So here we are discussing 3G in our next video.